Kawasaki lists curb weight, all right, instead of dry weight. And we've talked about this, and I know I'm beating a dead horse. But what that means is that curb weight means the ski is full of oil and gas. It also has a battery in it. It has a fire extinguisher in it. Cowie counts all of that. All right. So if you take 21 gallons of gas out of a curb weight, all right, and we're talking this ski. I'm not talking the LX. All right, we're talking just the 310X. All right. You take 21 gallons of gas out. You take and at 6.1 pounds per gallon. All right, that's 128 and change. It's almost 129 pounds. All right, you toss in 4.5 quarts of oil or 5 quarts of oil. Well, I say 4.5 quarts because that's what I always put in. That's 8.8 pounds. All right, well, that's 137.6 pounds. That's a person. All right, that's a whole person. And I laugh because Sea-Doo doesn't list in their dry weights. They have no gas, no coolant, because again, they run coolant, no battery, and no fire extinguisher. Dry weight is dry weight. No oil, no coolant, no gas, no battery, no fire extinguisher. Well, guess what? That makes the difference of those two skis 56 pounds. 56 pounds is not a big difference between an RX TX and a 310X. It's 56 pounds. That's the difference between them. But here's where it gets funny. Ultra comes with a catch can. Ultra comes with a blow-off valve. Ultra has 2 water boxes. Ultra's hull is made out of SMC fiberglass and gel coat, meaning you can repair it, and it's the toughest thing on the water. Would you rather have a ski that is comfortable, consistent, and smooth and rough water that is 100% repairable with SMC fiberglass and gel coat, no fancy materials, no epoxy resins, no I have to repaint the whole hull, no blah, 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 I got to change, because the whole thing's acrylic, I got to paint this and I got to do that. SMC fiberglass, gel coat, already comes with a catch can, already comes with a blow-off valve, 310 horsepower. It's got brakes. It's got tilt steering. It's got 10 gallons of storage in the front. It's got cup holders. All right. It's got 4 speakers if you want the sound system. I hate sound systems now. I'm so anti-sound system. I've got such old man energy going on with the tech packages right now. My hair should just be all white and I should bring a cane because I'm such a grouchy old man when it comes to tech systems now. Hang on for future articles. All right. I'm telling you, bang for the buck and ride quality, give me that ski. That's the one I want. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.